Hello guys, I'm Anurag and I'm from Lucknow. I'm recording this video to say thanks to Jhhilmil for all the consultation or all the remedies she has shared with me. I'll just share a little bit about my things. In 2022, I faced huge turmoil in my professional life, and like I was running up a business due to some reasons. I had to part from it and I was standing on zero. So at that time, I was deciding that I have to launch my institute once again, and a lot of many things were coming in mind. But then, on someone's recommendation, I came in touch with Jhhilmil, and believe me, guys, the way she used to listen up my problems, issues, she used to discuss in a very deep manner. And lately, she recommended me few changes which I did with my new startup, and things are growing. I'll not say that these things work or not because I never believed, but I just thought ki why not to try all these things like numerology or something like this. Maybe it can help, and things are going in favor. So thank you, Jhhilmil, for all the support and especially the patience you had with me, listening up my problems and all, and recommending me the best solution of that. And I'll definitely say, or I'll recommend her, if you have any challenges or if you are facing any challenge in your life, problems, etc., etc., you can get in touch with her. She's going to give you the best possible remedy for that. So thank you, Jhhilmil. Thanks a lot.